Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to apply Trumpet valve oil properly. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, these are Trumpet valves. And essentially when you press them down, they change the note that you're playing, they change the pitch. But sometimes, as you can see, they start to get stuck. And what that means usually is that they need some valve oil. So you want to get some valve oil. It's really easy to apply. And you want to do this one at a time. So take a look. This third one is okay, but sometimes it sticks a bit, right? The second one, very slow to rise over there. So we're going to do the second one just to show you the difference right here. You want to unscrew this piece right here. When you've unscrewed it enough, you can actually just lift it right out. I'm going to place the trumpet gently over here to the side, okay? And what you want to do is just literally take your valve oil, okay? And you're going to just apply it to the piston, okay? So I'm going to untwist this right here. I'm going to take the valve oil, I'm going to apply it to the piston over here. This is the piston portion. I'm going to apply it, really easy to do. Just literally just squirt it on it, basically, okay? And I'm going to do it over the sink. Obviously, I mean, you want to try to not spill it because it is an oil type of thing. So I'm just going to do it over here. I don't mind if I get it on my hand, but obviously you might. Just kind of put it on the actual piston all around. I mean, you can't really, like don't go crazy with it, but you can't put too much of it. If you put too much, it's just going to drip off, okay? So essentially what we're going to do now is I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it back where it was. So I'm going to grab the trumpet over here. I'm going to be cleaning this for a future video anyway, so I don't mind if I get a little bit of valve oil on the finish of the trumpet. I'm going to be cleaning it fully, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to place it back down. And you should know how to properly set your valve. If you don't know how to do that, check out the video that I'm going to be releasing very shortly. But essentially, if you're looking at this side, the mouthpiece side of it, okay, you want to look at the number. So this says number 2 because it's the second valve. If I see number 2 and I'm on the mouthpiece side of it, place it down, okay? Twist the cap on. So you want to make sure you twist the cap fully on. When the cap is fully on, you can turn your valve clockwise until it clicks. And it now clicked in place. And now, look at that. Beautiful. Oh my gosh. This one needs some work and I'm going to be doing this one next and this one as well. But this one, now that it's properly valved, properly oiled, the valve is properly oiled, incredible difference. You should be doing this on a regular basis. It's just part of playing a trumpet. If you play pretty much any type of brass instrument, you're going to have to oil the valves. And that's basically it. But I mean, I guess this video wouldn't be complete without me playing just a couple of notes for you. And like I said, these are not oiled properly, so some might stick, but we're going to play anyways. That's it. If you like this video, yes, I did play trumpet in high school and, in elementary school and part of high school. So I played the trumpet for 5 years, and then my 6th year out of that sort of band part of my life, I ended up switching to the baritone. So you will see more trumpet tutorials, and that's essentially it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Just honestly just feels good to play one of these again. I can't get the smile wiped off my face because it just feels incredible. It brings back that nostalgic feeling of being, a teenager and just loving this instrument, loving playing this instrument. But that's it. Honestly, it's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.